Look at that shit. Grab one. Fuck! Damn. Yeah. Look at that shit.
We need a quarter.
Size of it.
I've never seen one.
Did you get a quarter? Yeah, I'm recording that. This has been going on for like 4 minutes. Ah. Holy fuck!
Look at it, it's so cool.
I'll zoom in on the pool. Glad we weren't still in practice. It's still going. This must be where all the storm was sitting. It was all sitting up way high.
Look at it, it's red. It's like
Like 5 minutes.
okay, so it's been hailing for 5 minutes.
I'm sending mine to the news channel.
Not yet. Well, it's kind of dying down now.
Yeah, it's relaxing. Holy shit. Look at that. It looks like it snowed. Look at the pool. There's about 7 solid minutes of hail there. Holy crap, look at all the water, Em. Look.
Here, wait, switch me
Do you see all the water?
Switch me spots real quick.
One.
All the water.
Do you see all the water? It's like flash flooding on top of the hill. It looks like it's trying to snow. Yeah, it downpoured with that. I heard one real big one right there. I was like, what the hell was that? And I looked, and it started hailing, and it got harder and harder.
The first couple ones I heard, I thought you were banging in the bathroom. I was like, I wasn't backing up, everyone I did.
Some of these are pretty good size.
I haven't seen the mother one yet. There's always one that's unusually large. larger than the rest of them.
I've seen several this size.
I think it's just gonna rain for a little bit more now. Send mine to Fox 59 news report. Nope, here comes the rain.
That's more hail.
TV's back on.
That's pretty cool right there.
It's raining now.
It's still hailing a little bit. Look at that. Looks like it tried to snow
Until it
almost.
picks back up again.
Ah!
Okay, I'm done. Stop hailing.
Look at that water out there. Okay, my
Almost hailed for 10 minutes. How long were your videos?